Happy Saturday, everybody. Today, for my brunch, is steak and eggs edition. I also got me some bacon, avocado for a healthy fat, and a bowl of fruit with berries and banana. Cooked the steak, eggs, and bacon in beef tallow and added some butter to it. Seasoned the steak with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And the eggs, just pepper. This all looks so good. High fat, high protein, low carb. Tastes so good. Time for a bite. Look at that, nice and rare. Bussin', 10 out of 10. My voice is starting to come back. I'm making progress. Hopefully by tomorrow, Monday at the latest, this crap is all gone. But you gotta love Pennsylvania weather because it don't want to make up its mind. But yeah, you got good flavor from the steak eggs. Avocado gives an extra flavor to the eggs. And of course, I've always loved blueberries, raspberries, and bananas. But you all have a wonderful rest of your Saturday and weekend and eat more meat.